Hi YouTube, I'm Aiman, and today I'm going to show you how to unlock or reset your factory anti-theft radio on a Honda Civic 2006 to 2011. Alright, so on the factory anti-theft radio you can see it says enter code, which means we have to get a code from somewhere, right? So right here, there should be an anti-theft radio identification card that comes with a serial number and your code. So this usually is found in the manual. In the glove box, or in the glove box there should be a sticker on this side or this side, but we don't have it, but it should come with a card after you buy it. This was probably pre-owned, so it didn't have the sticker. So this code is 54366, so let's input that. 5 4 3 6 6. Hey, that's pretty good. So as you can see, the radio's back, so I'm just gonna see if it turns. Okay, I can hear something, but I don't want to blast the music out. Something that we found out while researching this topic was that you can only use the code that you get 5 times before it runs out, and you have to go to your dealer to get a new one. I mean, I don't know if that's true or not, because this is the only second time that my dad's entered the code, and he doesn't know about the previous owner. I mean, like, even the card says that this error code will only be displayed if you disconnect the battery. Secondly, if you don't know the code, according to research, you press 1 and 6 to get the code. No, not to get the code, but it should show a number, and then you can send that number to your dealer, or you can put it on a website that will link down below in the description. It's called Navicode, and then you should be able to get the code that you need to input. So another thing I want to share is that if you don't know the code and you're just guessing, you only get 10 guesses before you get locked out. When that happens, you can just disconnect the battery for around 20 minutes, put it back in, and try again. So if you do that like 100 times per day without sleeping, it'll only take you 100 days if you just keep guessing from 0 to 9999. Good luck. Alright, so while I'm here, I might as well show you how to set the timer on the clock, the time on the clock. So while it's blinking like this, you should be able to set the time. So on the 1, 2, and 3, it should have letters H, M, and R. It stands for hours, minute, and I guess R stands for reset. So you should be able to press them to set the time. So it's 9:15 right now. So I'm just gonna set it to 9. And then press clock to stop it. So if it's not already blinking, you can just hold clock, and it should blink again. So I'm just gonna do it for sake of example, and then you should be able to set the time. Wait, does it go down? Okay, no it doesn't. Okay, so time has been set. Up. So from what we could tell, when it says error code 1, 2, 3 on the radio, the number actually indicates how many guesses you've made. And I guess that's like, before we put the number, it said error code 2. Now you put the number, then it said error code 3. So I'm guessing it's the number of guesses. But my dad's perplexed because the card says when the unit is switched on after being disconnected from the battery, code will be displayed. But he's disconnected the battery a ton of times, but this is only the second time he's had to enter the code. So it makes us wonder, does like the car have a memory for when the code has to be entered? Because we've only had to enter this after we did the video on removing the fuses from the car. So it makes me wonder, maybe we took out the main memory fuse, and that's why we had to enter the code this time. But if you know more about this, please comment down below so we can find out more. Or maybe it stores the memory for a certain amount of time. Like before I said you have to unplug it for 20 minutes. Maybe 20 minutes is the time that you have to take before you have to reset it again, and it stores the memory of the radio for around 20 minutes. But I don't know. So if you know more, please comment down below. Alright, that's the end of this video. I'm Aiman, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I actually really wanted to make this video because my dad actually had to look online to find out the solution to this as well. So I want to help people like him. So, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and look at other videos on EYeOnAiman, especially the videos with cars. Alright. It's pretty dark outside, so signing out. Peace.